Hi students, there is Information Technology and the Energetic High School, Department of Information and Communication Technologies. Today's our second laboratory work. The name of laboratory work, determination of an operation systems, operation with files and directories. So I want to say first objectives, practical study of command line capabilities of Microsoft Windows operation system. On the example of recurrently used commands, practical familiarity with the operation systems interface of the menu type with the example of the file manager, and practical study of capabilities of the Windows graphical interface. So first of all, I want to say what is the operation system. An operation system is a software which acts as an interface between the end user and the computer hardware. Every computer must have at least one operation system to run other programs. An application like Chrome, Microsoft Word, games, etc. needs some environment which will run and perform its task. The operation system helps you to communicate with the computer without knowing how to speak to computer's language. It is not possible for a user to use any computer or mobile device without having an operation system. So I want to say history of operation systems. Operation systems were first developed in the late 1950s to manage tape storage. In the middle of 1960s, operation systems started to use disks. In the late 1960s, the first version of UNIX operation system was developed. The first operation systems built by Microsoft was it was DOS. For example, operation systems in market, Windows, it's more everyone and for every person and for everyone. Windows operation system is so easy and easy for work, and it is always takes first level than other operation systems. Second is Android. It's also cheaper than others, and for using also it's good. And third is iOS. iOS is comes from the Apple company, and it's also it's more expensive than others, but it's also good for working. And Mac operating systems, there is MacBooks and tablets like this, and the PS computers like Mac, and they use it for this. Linux, the Linux operation system. For example, there is not a lot of person who use it Linux because it's very difficult for using it, and this operation system is good when you work by numbers and in the banks like this with money. So I want to say the Microsoft Windows. Microsoft Windows is the world's most popular operating system. The start screen is displayed on the startup. Clicking a title launches an application. To display the start screen, press the Windows key on the keyboard or start button on the Windows smartphone or tablet. Second is Mac operation systems. I already said how to work it. You can tell when you are using Mac operation system by Apple logo that appears on the menu bar to Mac operation system desktop and compare it in the Windows desktop. Mac operation system popular virtual machine software such as desktop can run on the mass computers with Intel microprocessor, including Intel Max PS and the generic Unix computers. Operation systems is an operation system for the Apple iPhone and was derived from mass operation system Xcode. So I want to tell now about Android. It's a mobile operation system that is a popular platform for tablet computers, smartphones, and e-books, and for the readers. Unix and Linux. What is the difference between Linux and Unix? The Unix operation system was developed in 1969 by Bell Labs, and Linux is an operation system distributed along with its source code under the terms of a GPL General Public License. I already said that this is working harder than other operation systems. Unix and Linux are more stable than other operation systems, do not crash as often. So now I want to say about the advantages of using operation systems. Easy to use for Google offers an environment which a user might execute programs, applications. The operation system must make sure that computers system convenient to use. Operation system acts as an intermediary among application and hardware components. It provides the computer system resource with easy-to-use format. Disadvantages, and now let's talk about the disadvantage operation systems. Operation system software is quite expensive, it's true, for small size organization which adds burden on them. Example, Windows. It's never entirely secure as a threat can occur on the time. The operation system's tasks. Built-in computer, user interface, running programs, managing files, memory management, scheduling jobs, managing devices, and controlling network task management. And now let's talk about the control question. So you have to read the control question and try to answer the questions and give to it to your teacher for checking it. Now let's look at this test. Let's press the button. Let's press the button and see what's going on, but it's not pressing. Okay. Definition of desktop is main elements and their purpose, and about conspects of folders, subfolders, conspects in the roof, current security. Definition of Windows. You have to answer for these questions and give your answer to your teacher for checking it. Okay, thank you for your attention. Goodbye.